Just sign it, please. Okay? I'm so sorry. Please just sign it.
All right. All right. No. No, wait a minute. What is this? What did I do?
Dr. Neil didn't love your popcorn towers.
Well, you know what? Fuck him. I was trying to be nice.
Really. Out of the goodness of your heart, you thought, that knitted billionaire would love Cracker Jack. I'm gonna do it.
And what is wrong with that?
No. Everything.
Lisa, did you even get me my bribe money? Do you know? I just thought Jack could help.
Oh, God.
Did you ask Dr. Neil for more speaker money?
What's wrong with you?
Jack, what's it to him?
No, what's it to me? What's it to me? I put my fucking neck out to get you this job, and you embarrass me.
No, you embarrassed yourself.
Really? I forced the boss in front of the whole company.
Don't be nasty.
I'm not being nasty.
Lisa, I am the one person who has been there for you throughout your whole life. When everybody else was going, oh, crazy Lisa, blew it again, I was there.
Did you?
I said,
oh, you thought I was a loser too?
No.
And you just lied about. Is that your big fucking triumph as a mom? Good for you.
I put everything into you girls. I gave my life for you girls.
Mom, come on. You gave us Meanwhile and Pop-Pop so you could cruise the Intercoastal with the fucking dude of the week.
Ugh.
Come on, give me a break. You know you did.
When did you become an ingrate?
Oh, God.
You wouldn't have any of this without me.
You know what? Okay. You want to name one thing you ever taught me besides, hey, Lisa, get your ass hitched young and squeeze out a kid so he won't leave. Name one thing you did for me. One.
I made you a survivor.
I survived you, Mom. I'm here because of me.